Ladies and gentlemen, today my video is about getting rid of an unwanted extension called Multi-App BG Christmas Snowtree. It's a pretty long name of the extension. Currently it is offered by the company called Search Multi Limited. And very often this extension is spread through fake pop-ups instructing you to perform some installations, some updates of Adobe Flash Player or some other updates for your browser. But the problem is that when the extension is mistakenly added to Google Chrome, it would hijack your browser and change your settings to searchmulti.com. Well, at least this is clearly mentioned. And then what happens is that people are actually forced to surf the web through some unfamiliar pages. For instance, when they submit some search queries, they notice that the results are redirected through some unfamiliar sites like Bing. Well, it's a decent site. However, the hijacker, the extension, redirects your search queries through Bing. And people, even if they surf the web through Google, they may also notice that still there are some changes even if they submit the search queries directly through Google. They are not satisfied with such amendments, and this particular extension called Multi-App BG Christmas Snowtree may also collect your personal details while you surf the web. So if you are not satisfied with such amendments, you need to go to the menu, click on More Tools and now Extensions. You'll be in this Extensions section of your Google Chrome. You need to find this Multi-App BG Christmas Snowtree extension, disable, and you may remove it completely. After that, I also recommend that you double check your Mac and its safety with Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. After the software is successfully downloaded and installed, wait until the antivirus database is updated, and finally click on Start Combo Scan to initiate the detailed research of your Mac computer. At the end of scan, you'll see the complete report about your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you'll see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific threat manually one at a time. So this is the free and manual approach to deleting threads from your Mac computer. And once all these threads are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.